CNN is bullish on Bitcoin. The current price action of Bitcoin. What MicroStrategy Incorporated truly understands, and more in this video. This is the Crypto Homie. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for more daily crypto content. Let's get right into it. So CNN produces an article titled, "A surprise safe haven investment has surged 180% since March." The article starts off, "Bitcoin is on a tear. The price of one Bitcoin is now trading at just above 11,500, the highest level in about a year. Bitcoin has surged more than 60% in 2020 and is up more than 180% from its mid-March lows of about 4,000. James Prutza said, "It's a flight to safety." Another quote, "There is a herd who is in love with Bitcoin that keeps pushing it higher. But is the smart money going to take a walk again?" Cohen said. This brings up a good point. With the current economic situation, will big institutions want to take the risk of Bitcoin, or they just, push it to the side? Alrighty, guys, now moving on to the current price action of Bitcoin. Let's start off by looking at Link. Link making an all-time high again at 1549 at the time of this recording. It's like good old faithful. It just keeps on going. And Band, I'm very surprised. Band's holding 1443. I didn't think it was going to be doing this good, but hey, that's what's up. And as I mentioned last night, Compound still hanging in there at 231, 233 at the time of this recording. There's some major volatility, but it's looking good. Let's check out Bitcoin. Look at it. On the daily, it's holding support here at 11,300, 11,400, and now it's working its way up. But let's take out and look at the macro perspective. Look, guys, this is the monthly chart. This dotted green line right here is the 10,500 area. Look where this August month dipped down to, 10,500. As long as we hold that, we are good. We are still will remain in the bullish trend. We need to hold 10.5. Just remember that. Once we hold 10.5 by closing this candle above 10.5, our next move is to break 14,000. That's going to be our next major resistance. Once we break our resistance, we'll turn it into major support. And then once it's major support and we hold it, we're off to the moon, guys, off to the moon. All right, guys, now moving on to Coinbase is listing a new coin. So on Coinbase Pro's Twitter, they tweeted out today, Monday, August 17th, our NMR, USD, BTC, Euro, and GBP order books will enter transfer-only mode, accepting inbound transfers of NMR in supported regions. Guys, they're listing another coin. How can we get into these coins before they get listed? Because it's already up like 50 to 100% today. It's crazy gains. Don't you want those gains before it's listed? Well, guys, here's an article from Cointelegraph titled "Coinbase Exploring Support for 18 New Digital Assets." And here they list a bunch of digital assets. One that they already listed was Compound. Now this new one, NMR, Numenaire. These are all things they're looking at. They have multiple other articles of what they're looking at. My personal picks from what I've seen throughout a bunch of articles, I think VeChain has a high chance, HBARS has a high chance, and ADA has a high chance. Not financial advice, guys, just my personal opinion on what I think has a high chance of getting listed on Pro Coinbase. Any of these coins, and from their other articles, have a chance. They're investigating them. But this brings up another point. They just listed Band this Monday. Now they're listing a new one this coming Monday. Is this going to be a weekly trend? I don't know, guys. We have to just stay tuned and find out, see if they just are doing weekly updates of new coins, because that would be interesting. All right, now let's move on to the movement MicroStrategy Incorporated started. And this involves the real Robert Kiyosaki. He tweeted out, "Savers are losers. Cash is trash. Treasuries are thieves working for the Fed. Got the message? Central banks have an avowed goal of decreasing the value of cash by 2% a year. Please don't be a loser. Open your mind and get smarter about your money. Got gold, silver, and Bitcoin? Guess what? MicroStrategy Incorporated, ticker MSTR, they got the message. They understand that savers are losers, cash is trash, and the treasuries are thieves working for the Fed. They understand what's going on here. They took their balance sheet and they put it onto Bitcoin because they believe it has the potential to actually hold value. All right, guys, and last but not sure, we're going to look over to what a pyramid scheme is. Robert Breedlove tweeted out, a pyramid scheme is an investment scam based on a hierarchy setup of network marketing in which higher layer participants profit at the expense of those lower down. Fiat currencies are pyramid schemes erected by central banks who actively manipulate the price of gold. I'm going to zoom in on this picture. It just says all national currencies, including the US dollar, are pyramid schemes. At the very top, we have gold, which is real money. Right below gold, we have the central bank, which creates debt and charges interest down to the next tier. The first recipients of fiat currency. Examples are governments, Wall Street, and mega corporations. And then once again, creates more debt and charges interest. The next layer is later recipients of fiat currency, lower tier banks, small businesses. And then once again, we're creating more debt and interest down to the last recipients of fiat currency, the poor, retirees, pensioners. These people are the most economically vulnerable. So I want to ask you guys this question. Do you like the US dollar? Seeing it from this perspective, does a pyramid scheme sound great to have your lifelong savings in? Pensions could disappear. 401ks could vanish. What's your opinion on that? Do you think this is a crazy topic? Do you believe this could happen? Let me know down in the comments below. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. As always, homies, this is not financial advice. This is for pure entertainment. Invest at your own risk. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Smash the like button if you liked it and subscribe for more content. The Crypto Homie is signing out.